Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at a couch by a company called Bundle Living. Now this couch is great for people that live in an urban environment or any place where it's really hard to get packages. It's also great for people that live in tight spaces where it's hard to get around corners or just get a full-size couch into any particular room. What I really like about it is that it's customizable and it all comes in at under $1,000. So let's take a look. Now ordering your bundle couch is pretty easy. You just head on over to their website and they have a lot of different styles to choose from. So there's 4 colors to choose from. The arms can be squared or they can be curved, and the legs can be cone-shaped or square. So you can really dial it in to get the right look for your living room. Now when you do order it, it comes in about 2 to 5 business days, so that's pretty quick, and it'll come right to your doorstep. So you don't really have to wait for any delivery guy to come in. So if you're at work, don't worry, they'll just drop it off at your door. Now moving around these 3 boxes is relatively easy, and you can flip them over, push them around, nothing's really gonna break in them. I do advise when you unbox it, make sure you read those instructions pretty well. It's just gonna save you time. Assuming you read the instructions well, you know exactly what you wanna do. It should only take about 15 minutes to set up the couch, and then you'll be sitting on it in no time. So how does a couch that comes shipped in a few boxes, delivered to your doorstep in about a week feel? Well, I'll qualify it by saying I'm a pretty tall guy. I'm about 6'3", 6'4". So my findings may be a little bit different than the average person's. But that said, I was able to take a nap on it. I was able to watch TV and it didn't feel like it was too short. In fact, I was able to sit back far enough where I could actually really relax on it. Now this isn't going to be like a big puffy couch that you might find at your grandma's house. It's not something where you're going to want to watch the football game on with a bunch of friends. I find it really useful for a smaller space where you individually or with some significant other may just want to sit together on it or maybe lay down and binge on some Netflix. But all in all, I think given the price, it's a very solid feel. The bundle sofa comes in at $999, and this is before any discounts. If you head over to sleepshipper.com, we've got some coupon codes that bring this down even further. It also comes with a 60-day trial. So basically you can try it out in the comfort of your own home. You can see how it looks with your other furniture, and that's really hard to do just on the internet. Now you can actually physically bring it in there, see what it looks like. If you don't like it, it's a free return. Just hop online, they'll work out a return process for you. If you do like it, you're backed by their forever warranty. What that means is as long as you own the sofa, you're covered with any physical damage to the structure of the sofa. The cushions, they have a 5-year warranty. So it's kind of refreshing to see a sofa actually come with a trial period and a strong warranty. I'm used to talking about free trials with mattresses, and it's kind of fun to talk about them now with the sofa. So all in all, I think it's a really good value. So overall, the bundle sofa solves a lot of problems that traditional sofas can't. By that I mean, it's very easy to order, comes delivered to your door without having to wait for anybody. There's a free trial, so you can see what it looks like in the comfort of your own home for a couple months. If you don't like it, it's easy to return. I highly recommend it for anybody who's renting maybe for a year and then they're not sure where they're gonna be, because it's easy to set up and it's easy to disassemble, and it's very portable. So you can take it from one place to the next and it's not gonna get damaged. And trust me, I just moved out of a place. I banged up my walls pretty bad trying to get my couch out of the basement. So I could really appreciate something like the bundle where I don't have to deal with that headache anymore. So head on over to sleepshipper.com. You're gonna get the latest discount codes and the full review.